Ylang-Ylang, Ylang-Ylang, Ylang-Ylang. It's hard to know how to pronounce this oil's name, but the correct pronunciation is Ylang-Ylang. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils, and today we're diving into Ylang-Ylang Essential Oil. In this video, I'll talk about how to use Ylang-Ylang Essential Oil, how it works, and make sure you know how to use this oil safely. Ylang-Ylang is super popular to be used in perfumes. It has a really unique floral yet tropical aroma that people love. You can use this oil in your own perfumes or just put it in the diffuser to help fill your home with this amazing smell. This unique aroma is very relaxing yet uplifting. I love to use it in the diffuser after a tough day to help me unwind. Another popular way to use Ylang-Ylang essential oil is in skincare. It was shown in a study to have antibacterial properties, which is great for keeping your skin healthy. So let's talk about how this oil works. Its main natural component is linalool, and this chemical is known to do a lot of different things. It helps create its tropical fruity aroma. It helps soothe and uplifts, and people have even found this chemical to help soothe pain. So next, let's make sure you know how to use this oil safely. This oil is best used with individuals aged 10 and up. It's best to use in a dilution rate of 0.5% or lower. This is an oil that can have strong effects, so we want to make sure it's well diluted before we put it on our skin. And you'll want to avoid using this oil around your cat and dog. Hi, I'm Katie. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit subscribe so you can keep learning how to use essential oils safely.